What does one say in a cover letter to show that one can be managed? Pretty much it's what you don't say. So a lot of the cover letters, the people talk about their needs or they talk about what's important to them or why. And so that shows difficulty being managed. It shows that you'll be difficult to manage when you talk about having your own business. It talks about you're difficult being managed because anything that shows too much independence doesn't show you're a team player. It shows that you're not willing to commit and that you're interested in this opportunity. Those sorts of things that appear in your resume, in your cover letter. There's a lot of writing I've done about can you be managed and so forth. And so I would take a look at that in BCG. Just do like a Google search for can you be managed, BCG search, and see that. And then you can tell the kind of things that people put in cover letters that would show that. And typically people saying, I'm eager for you, it comes through. It comes through. And if you feel like you need to be very independent and so forth, that will come through. If you can follow directions and if you work well with teams and so forth, it's very important to be able to